Hey guys, so I'm here today in Seelin Tyre Safety System office. It is in Dimapur, 5th Mile Junction, just above the Green Park Junction. I'm here in this office today, Seelin Tyre Safety System, and I'm going to install this particular Seelin gel. Okay, so this is the office. This particular gel, see, which the manager is shaking now. This is a 700 or 750 ml gel. So it will be installed in both the tires, the front and the rear, and that's more than enough for 2 tires for the bike. For cars, it might require more than this. So they are giving 1 year of warranty after installing this, and if there's any puncture or anything, we can come back before 12 months. We can come back and get the refund, or they will install it again. So this is the office. You can come and ask for demonstration also. There's this tire, yeah, that tire is kept there for demonstration. One big nail is pinned into it, and they take it out and they can insert it again, like for demonstration. And this tire is like installed, treated with this gel. So they have all the system ready, and the executive, they do all the works with experience. And this particular 707 ml bottle costs only 1,200 rupees. So for bikers, we just have to shout out 1,200 rupees, and we can be assured of our tire that it will not give us any problem in our long journey or long rides. Since the road conditions in Nagaland are not good, this particular gel is very much appropriate, like very much needed for the bikers, especially the bikers who go for a long ride in both good and the bad roads. So if you also want to feel secured, you can come and install this gel, and I'm going to monitor my tires for the next 12 months, and after 12 months how long it will still go without any kind of single puncture. So after that I will be coming back to the office and review again. But till then, if you also want to feel secured like me, you can just come here and install it. It's here in 5th Mile Junction, below there. If you come from town, you have to take right from that junction. Otherwise, if you come from Chimu area, you can just come to the left, directly to the left. This scooty is coming from Chimu area, just nearby here. You will just see the office banners and everything here. And after installing, you will feel more secure, because you're just like saying goodbye to tire puncture, as they say. Okay, wish you all the best. If you want, you can come and visit